What's up guys, welcome back, or welcome, and if it's the last one, please let me tell you, we do tech reviews and unboxings of cool tech, like this one today. If that's something that interests you, please consider subscribing, give a thumbs up in this video, and share it all around with your friends. With this said, this is the first video of 2025, so yes, it was a bad year last year for me on YouTube, but let's move on. So, first video of the year, and it's about Blitzwill DIY splicing light bars. They are behind me. I don't know if you guys can see it here. This is going to be a very short video about these bars. So let me turn them on for you so you guys can see it. How cool they look. And here we go guys. Just behind me. Look at that. Really cool. So let's start with the unboxing. Looking at the box. Just a simple box without any pictures of the lights. Inside you have the light bars first. You will have 9 bars. After that, you have 10 round lumps that are the connection points for the light bars. You also have the 10 lids to cover up when the light bars are connected to the round lumps. One of the round lumps comes with a controller and the USB-A so that you can power up your lights. You have also a remote controller, but you can also control it with your phone, so don't worry about this one. And the last one, you have the manuals. Looking at the price guys, so these lights came from Banggood website, so you have the good and the bad, so keep that in mind. So with this said, for the UK they have a price tag of £35.84. For the US it's $43.99. Like always, I'm gonna leave links in the video description. Please use them, it helps the channel and it doesn't cost a penny to you guys. Let's move on. Looking at the installation, it's so easy. First, you will need to see where you're gonna plug in the lights, so that you can choose if you want to use the round light with a controller and the USB-A first or not. In this case, I will use it first. After that, you just choose your pattern and connect the bars using the round ones. When all done, you will need to remove the plastic bit on the back of the round lights so that they can stick to the wall. Yes, because this is a free drill installation. After that, you just stick the lights on the wall and that's it. So simple. Looking at the fixtures next. So you have a customizable geometric light, meaning you can choose your own pattern. You have smart control using the Tuya app. That works for both Android and iOS. You have vibrant Rgbic color display. You have music sync mode. This is great for gamers or even for podcasts. And these bars are energy efficient and compact design. My final opinion. These light bars have a great price and are very easy to install, without needing to drill any holes, nothing like that. Just stick them on the wall. They have endless combinations of colors and also the option of music sync. In my opinion, a great product that will be great for a gamer or for someone starting YouTube. Is a thumbs up for this product. And that's it guys, this was our quick review on the Blitzwill light bars, as you guys can see here behind me. If you found any value in this video, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribe now. With this said, Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.